Hi, this is Dana from TdBinks. I'm the D in the TD. I'm so excited. I got a package today from my friend Raj. Raj, if you're watching this, this is what I call you as Raj. I think it's Raj Kumar. Sorry, but I know you'll forgive me. You're such a kind-hearted person. But anyway, I ordered some stones from him, and they're very well wrapped. So I've already gone through that, and I'm about to open the main package to see what he sent me. And I'm so excited. It's almost like Christmas. I've been waiting. It takes a while because if you notice that Raj is from India. But that's where a lot of the beautiful stones come from. And I might have to get the scissors out for this. I am at my workstation, which is always a mess. And I don't see my scissors. So I will just use some clippers, jewelry clippers, and cut through this tape. It'll do the job. Just need to break the tape a little bit. But what he sends you is very well wrapped. I mean, there's not stuff banging on each other and coming out of the seams and all that. It's very, very well packaged. They are a family business, and they care very much about their customers. I was amazed that when Terry and I had COVID, that he sent me a message almost every day asking how we were doing and stuff, and just a kind-hearted person. So so the first thing that I've got is these beautiful labradorite cabs. I can't even talk. I need more coffee. But anyway, I'll just hold one up to the camera, and ooh, they are carved. They have like a flower carved into them, and how they do that, focus, whatever. But I think you can see the flash. Very flashy, very good stones. So I've got 3 of those. Oh, and this one has kind of a wheat pattern and a light's not hitting that. There we go. See how flashy those are? Oh, just wait and see what I make out of those. So I got those. And then I've got, and you know what, guys? They aren't labeled, but this is a kind of turquoise, and I'll be mistaken when I say this, but they're kind of like turquoise. Not all turquoise comes from the United States. Seems like each country has their type of turquoise, but very, very pretty stones. I got some teardrops. I really love wrapping teardrop shapes. And I got a square. Well, it's a rectangle. And then a round one. Very nice, very good size, very quality work. And I've never been disappointed with anything that I've gotten from them. Since we moved from Ohio, we don't have access to a lot of these things. And I think these are my blue opals. And very pretty. Let me get those out. I got 3 of those. Oh yeah. So I got a big oval. And then I got another teardrop shape. And another teardrop shape. And you can go on his, he's on Etsy. He's also on Facebook. But it's RNA Gems. And you'll see what he has. He had an online auction yesterday. I couldn't really participate in it because I watched some of it, but we were getting our taxes done, so I had to pay attention to what the guy was saying. So I didn't get in on the bidding, but I might go back and maybe buy something from some of the things I saw. These, if you've ever heard of Larimar, there's only one place in the world that the Larimar comes from, and it comes from the Dominican Republic. So I've got a small teardrop of that, and then I've got a larger, it's kind of a free-form shape, and I love doing free-form shapes. If you notice on our Etsy page, a lot of those are free-form, so it's not square, it's not oval, it's just kind of, it's a little challenging, and I love working with challenges. And then I've got a nice little oval one there too, but Larimar is beautiful. My hands are dirty because I was also repotting plants. It's like the sky. And yeah, there's only one place, and it's a government-owned mine in the Dominican Republic, and that's the only place in the world that they know of that Larimar comes from. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, I've got my amethyst heart. And let me see here, get it out. It was a different kind of a shape, and he had a set of them, and the more I looked at them, I thought, I don't know. It's going to be a little bit difficult to wrap. So you can kind of see the shape of it. So I'm just going to try one, and then if it works out, then I keep holding it because I'm looking at one thing and the camera's on the other side. But anyway, it's very nice. And then he always sends a surprise. So let me see what this is. And I don't know. Oh, it could be... and he'll correct me, I'm sure, on this video. Sorry, Raj. I'm going to make you do all the work. It looks like faceted jade, maybe? Sorry about my phone. I'm on a group chat right now, and everybody's going crazy. Can't get them out, Raj. There they go. Maybe put a little thing in there. I don't know if you see it. It says surprise. Bless his heart. I'm almost got it, so hang in there. Ooh. Get them out. It's a sticky envelope, so it wants to keep closing. Okay. So these are little. Now, normally I don't wrap things that small. I can. And I'm going to start. I wish you could see these because they're faceted. You can see how it catches the light. So they've got flat surfaces on them, kind of like how a diamond is cut or something. And I'm looking forward to maybe working on some smaller stones. I've had some requests for them. These could also be used in a pair of earrings, which I'm not going to make earrings because I can't get them to look the same on both sides. Sorry, I'm just kind of not skilled in that way. So I'm going to cut this off because the phone's ringing. So I just wanted to share this opening with you. Be blessed. Bye.